Yummy. Hello friends, I'm Ash from Indo Girl. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook yummy, delicious and healthy Indian style toast sandwich. Bread, almost everyone likes it, and this is my grandma's recipe. In mixture, the core ingredient is cottage cheese, which in Hindi it's known as paneer, rich in calcium and protein. You can make it at home or buy it from an Indian grocery store. So not wasting much time, on the count of 3, we will start. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I became a chef! Let's get started with the recipe. So for the ingredients, you will need 2 slices of fresh bread and you will need half cup of cottage cheese. Oopsies, my mustache fell. Whatever, it's not sticky enough. And 2 teaspoon onion. 2 teaspoon capsicum. 2 tablespoon butter. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seed. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne powder. Salt and black pepper. First, crumble the cottage cheese with light hand. Now, mix all the ingredients except for butter. Mix it well. Now put your mixture on top of 1 piece of bread. Now, put the other slice of bread on top of this one to make a sandwich. Then, apply the butter on top of this bread. And then when you toast it, apply the butter again on the other side. My mom is toasting it right now, so please do it under the guidance of an adult. much time is it gonna take? Now toast is ready. Time for plating. Decoration time. Oh, hot. And some yummy chips. Salad leaf. And if you want to dip, then I use yummy ketchup. Done! If you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Ciao!